So for this video, what you're going to need is a Raspberry Pi B+, a micro SD card with an adapter, a compatible operating system, we used Raspbian, a USB keyboard and a USB mouse, a power cord for the Pi, an HDMI cable for the Pi. We used a Vilros starter kit for this video. For software links and hardware information, please see the comments below. Enjoy!
So our video is about setting up a Raspberry Pi B+ for the first time. Not very different than the B. This right here is the B+. Mine came with a micro SD card and an adapter. So we're going to put Raspbian on here, and we're going to set up the Raspberry Pi for the first time with Raspbian. So what we're going to do now is we're going to format the SD card, and then we'll write Raspbian on there. But first I'll show you where to get all the stuff. Raspberry Pi, you can download all of the a bunch of various operating systems. Today we're going to do Raspbian. I've already got the file downloaded, but you'd click here, download zip. You also need the SD card formatter, which you can get if you just type in SD card formatter on Google. It'll come up pretty quickly, very easy to find. And then the Win32 disk imager, which I got from SourceForge, works very well. So what we'll do first is we're going to format the SD card. So it's in the, get options real quick, do a quick format. No more format adjustment size. Just hit format. So there we go. Next, what we're going to do is we'll write the image onto the SD card. So here we're going to find the image file. Right there, and we'll click write.
Okay, so we put our SSD card in the slot. We have the mouse and keyboard hooked up, USB connections, and this goes to the monitor, so it's powered on. Okay, this is the first menu that opens up when it first boots up. It has a list of options here. The first thing you want to do is expand the file system. When it builds your OS, you need to expand it so you can save more data to the SSD. Just hit OK. Next, you can change your username and password. The set ones are password is Pi and the username is Raspberry. Next, you can enable to boot to desktop, is what you'll do. And then you can also overclock it if you want to, which we're not going to do. There's advanced options. You can use SSH, enable SSH, and then that'll enable you, if you don't have a monitor or keyboard, you can use your desktop or laptop computer to get into the Pi. reboot.
Alright, so here we are. This is the Raspbian desktop. I'll go up to the menu. The Raspbian OS comes preloaded with Mathematica. These are all the programming tools. You got Mathematica, Python 2 and 3, Scratch, Sonic Pi, and Wolfram. The internet section, you got the Raspberry Pi store, some more resources associated with Pi, and a built-in web browser. For games, we have it comes preloaded with Minecraft Pi and some more Python games. Accessories, got basic, you got your archiver, calculator, file manager, image viewer, PDF, and so on. And preferences, just settings you can just adjust for monitor or Wi-Fi or anything like that, theme, desktop. And that's pretty much it. It comes preloaded, and that's pretty much how you set up a Raspberry Pi with Raspbian.